Welcome fuckers to another episode. Today we're going to be revealing if the G35 is going to be able to start normally and if the check engine light will be completely off. As of right now, I still don't know if it's going to work or not, so we're both going to find out at the exact same time. For those of you guys who are new, welcome back to the channel. I have a supercharged VORTECH G35 and we're having a little bit of belt issues. And just so you guys can catch up on this video, little quick recap for, of course, the new users. Here's my G35, and what happened was I have my cog belts here that go behind this pulley. I've been having this issue where the belt just slips out and it just causes a mess. As you can see, it's not that the belt ripped, it's just that it slips out and it gets shredded. So hopefully third time is the charm. This one doesn't slip out. What I'm gonna do different is that the pulley, the guide pulley, it has walls so the belt doesn't. I've been tightening this super hard, using it as a tensioner pulley. So I've been tightening this super hard so the belt doesn't move at all. So apparently this is not supposed to go super tight. It's just supposed to go on, make sure the belt doesn't come off. So that's what I'm gonna do different this time. The other problem we're having right now, when it slipped out, it actually ended up catching my wires for the sensor, for the bank 2 solenoid sensor right here, and it actually blew a fuse because it caused a short because it peeled the wire. So hopefully this piece got messed up and we got a second one to replace this with. Hopefully that's the fix, right? That's what I'm praying for. If not, then it's probably something else related, like a harness or something else. We're also going to be replacing this sensor just in case it is the sensor, and then hopefully that fixes the problem. So that's what we're going to be doing today. Hopefully it starts, and let's get on with this. We got a new bank 2 solenoid. We got the new sensor there. We just freaking tapped it in, and this should be the moment of truth. If this doesn't work, then it's definitely something with the cable. Either there's a damaged part of the cable somewhere around the harness, or it could be something related to the ECU port. We're gonna find out right now. Hopefully it works. Hopefully that was all that had to be fixed besides the blown fuse. But damn. Alright guys, that was a very disappointing and sad beginning to today's video. But that was me replacing the actual bank 2 solenoid to see if that was the issue. It was not the issue, so now we know that it's an electrical problem. Now we just gotta find that problem. What it is a bad wire, ECU, what's the problem here? So I reached out to Charlie from Full Throttle Performance 916. He let me know to consult with my Infinity manual. You know, the cars have manuals. So shout out to him for helping me with that. He was able to send me the link to the one online, and I was able to find these procedures. So we went ahead and turned on the car in the on position. I have here in the negative, and then this other positive one, I checked one of the pigtails, and it's supposed to read the same exact voltage that it would read as if you were to connect this to the battery, right? Because it's the voltage going through, right? So it actually ended up passing that test. So when the car is on, there is voltage going through the pigtails and it is receiving current. So now that I passed that test, now we're moving on to step number 3 in the manual, which is actually checking now the other pigtail. So now we got to test the other side, and the way we test the other side is by doing a continuity test. So we're gonna pretty much put one of these pins into the end of the terminal right here, and we're actually gonna put the negative, the other side, onto the ECU, where the ECU terminal 10, I believe, based on the terminal. Disconnect our ECU and find terminal 10 and put the other end, that black one, on that part of the end. Look at all those wires that are peeled, bro. This is underneath the cog belt. These are all just peeled. Alright guys, we're about to start the car again. We taped off those wires over here. Well, hold up, don't start it yet. I need to look in. Go for it, I guess.
I'm not used to E85 life.
Is it still idling back? Yeah, right?
Slightly, yeah.
So let's take off the sensor, see if that does anything. Runs way better, huh? What the fuck?
Maybe we
just did a bank to solenoid delete. You guys heard the car, it ran like shit again. We unplugged the sensor, it runs fine, but we cannot have it like that obviously. So I'm pretty sure there's like some bad information or voltage being sent to the sensor, which is causing it to run like crap when it's plugged in. So we got a professional special tech electrician, Cena here. He's gonna actually open the ECU and see if, because we read on the forums that it could be a possibly fried output or something on here. Alright guys, I think we managed to take... Oh, you got it, bro. Right on, bro.
Hella glue.
Hella glue, bro. Nissan did a good job.
Did it?
Okay, Cena, do your work. What do you see, bro? Use your eyes.
Some green things, bro.
All green things?
Yeah.
And that's a lot of shit, bro.
That's where your tune at.
That's where my tune's at?
Yeah.
How do you even figure out where the fuck is damaged, bro? Do you need glasses or no?
No, I just need to find out what pin it is.
Huh. Alright guys, this pretty much is going to conclude today's video. At least I think we finally figured out what was wrong. We tested, like I said, just a quick rundown. We tested the plug itself, every single wire that goes from that sensor to the plug. Everything's fine. There's continuity, there's power going to it. We checked the part itself, we gave it some power, and it's doing its regular function, which just means it's just receiving the bad information from the problem, which is the ECU. So you guys saw that we took out the ECU, but there's just, when you opened it, it's a lot of information in there. There's a million gazillion resistors in there, and there was just no way of figuring out which one was bad or not. Maybe we just need some more patience or time, but at least we know the problem is the ECU at this point. My only solution that I could think of is maybe, hopefully, we can buy a stock ECU and transfer the tune from my ECU to the new ECU, and then that would only cost me around 200 bucks, of course, for the stock ECU, and maybe for the service of transferring your tune, if that's possible. If not, then you would have to buy a new ECU and do another tune on it and buy all the licenses and everything. It's gonna cost 1,300 bucks, which I'm not gonna do. The other way I could do is just to take off the supercharger kit and put a stock ECU and run it like that. So those are my three options at this point. Such, like, literally, bro, that dumbass cog belt, bro, caused all these damn problems, bro. It's like so annoying. But there you have it. This is the issue I'm going through. Hopefully, I don't know if you guys enjoyed the video. I certainly didn't, because I'm just destroyed, bro. Why is my car down, bro? But we'll continue on. We'll see what happens. I'm definitely not gonna give up on the G for sure anytime soon, but I'll catch you guys next video. Hopefully we can get the G running or some solution comes up, but I'll catch you guys next video. Thank you guys for supporting the channel. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.